Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Now, the iClone 8 is free for everyone. You can just go to my video description link and click into the link. It will lead you to this site, the iClone 8. And then you can just click download now or free download. The iClone Personal, the iClone 8 Personal. You can just scroll down and check all the features. Now, actually, what are the differences between the personal free versions and the perpetual or subscription? Now you can see actually to render the video, to make the 3D animations, there are no differences. No limitation for the output or input video, the output video or output image. You can just render unlimited as you want. And the iClone Personal, actually, there is not 30 days limits. There's no limitation. You can just use as much as you want. But to export the FBX, the iClone Personal Free, it only allows 30 times. Unless if you pay for it, there's no limitation. So if you are just a 3D animator, you just want to use the iClone content to just render any video to create a 3D animations, then you don't need to export the FBX. The FBX file, OBJ file, these are for the 3D modelers and the game developer. So if you just want to make animations, it's completely fine to download the Personal Free, the iClone 8 Personal Free. And the rest, you can see all of this, like the character creator, all of these plugins, it's only available for the trial version. Alright, so what about the content store? You can just click into the content store. If you are using the iClone 8 Personal Free, then you cannot buy anything from the content store. You cannot purchase the contents. You can just use whatever resources that are already inside the iClone 8 Personal. For any of the resources at here, you can just use it, but you cannot buy anything from the content store. But if you already a CC3 user, Character Creator 3 or iClone 7, of course you can just use your old contents, the iClone 7 contents and CC3 contents in iClone 8. However, if you want to use the latest version of the CC5, you have to just get the CC5 from the official site. All the old contents you still can use, so it is completely cool for the old users, like the iClone 7 users, the iClone 6 users, and CC3, the Character Creator 3 users. You can just import any of your old CC3 avatar into iClone 8 to just perform the 3D animations. Alright, that's all for today about my sharings of the new iClone 8 free personal version, the personal free version that already released in the site. You can just go to my video description, click into the link and download it immediately. It is really easy to use. I recommend for the beginners on 3D animations. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the mini bell and select all notifications so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!